Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through a simple and effective business plan for starting a profitable chicken poultry farm. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand, this plan will help you make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Stay tuned till the end for bonus tips on maximizing your profit. Chicken poultry farm business plan. So the first thing that you are going to look at is market research. Market research is essential. You need to understand your local demand for eggs or broiler for meat. Check nearby hotels, supermarkets, and local markets to estimate daily or weekly chicken and eggs consumption, and how many poultry farms are already operating in your area and what are their prices. That is the number one thing that you're expected to look at around you. How many poultry farms do you people have around your area, and what do they demand? Is it broiler meat or eggs? Identify target consumers, study local demand, and analyze competitors. And the second thing that we are going to look at is choosing the right type of poultry farm. There are two main types of poultry farming: broilers for meat production and layers for egg production. Choose based on your market demand and budget. Broiler farming requires shorter cycles but quick turnover, while layer farming gives you a continuous income. True egg sales but requires a longer commitment. This is not like layers are not like broilers. And the third thing that we are going to look into is business plan essentials. Your business plan should cover this key. Number one, location and housing. A well-ventilated and spacious shed is crucial. Number two thing is breed selection. Choose high-yielded breeds suited for your climate. Another thing is feeding and nutrition. Feeding and nutrition. Quality feed ensures healthy birds and maximize output. And another thing that you are going to look at, that's for health management under business plan essential. Health management, regular vaccination and biosecurity measures prevent diseases. And the fifth one under business plan is labor and management. Labor and management, plan for skilled workers or farm hands to help in daily operations. So the fourth thing that we are going to look at on your business plan is budget and profit estimate. Of course, this is why you want to start your poultry farm, because you know that there must be a profit. If you will not see any profit, what is the essence of starting a poultry farm? So we are going to prepare a budget covering land or shade cost. This is number one that you are going to look at. Prepare a budget covering land or shade cost. Another thing is chicks purchase. How much are you going to purchase your chicks? And another thing is feed. Feed is the major thing here. Feed and water system. Another thing that you are going to look at is medicine and vaccination. And you are going to look at labor and electricity. Estimate your profit margin. For example, a 500 broiler chicken setup can return a net profit of $500 to $1,000 per cycle, depending on local market prices. So, another thing that we are going to look at is marketing strategy. Finally, have a marketing plan you can sell to. This is the final one, and we are going into tips. Let's take the final one, marketing strategy. Finally, have a marketing plan you can sell to local markets, restaurants and hotels, retail shops, direct home deliveries. Our bonus tips. To succeed, focus on quality. 1. Hygiene. 2. And proper record keeping. That's 3. Start small, learn the process and scale gradually and become the big farmer that you are always aspiring to become. Always start small and then watch yourself growing big and big and big. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and share so that it will get to other farmers or intending farmers, to encourage as many that want to go into poultry farming